Fabulous 124. So, yeah, welcome to another episode of Teaching Technology. Yeah, this series is made just for parents and grandparents that don't quite know how things work. So, today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find the description on a YouTube video, because I feel like that's one of those commonly asked questions. Now, I am planning on doing some sort of interview type thing with this group of people pretty soon. I don't know how I'm doing it. Because I can either text them or I can FaceTime or phone call. Yeah. I don't know. I haven't really decided exactly how I want to do this, but I'm gonna be doing it because I need input from that particular group. So I'm gonna go do the screen recording and the voice recording at the same time, so that way they'll match up, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is, you're gonna go into the video. You're gonna tap or click on it depending on what device you're using. I'm using an iPhone, so I'm gonna tap on it. This is a Boundary Family video that I'm clicking on. And I hope it's muted this time because this is the second time I've tried to record this. So, yeah, you're gonna click on the video. And then once you click on it, there should be a little gray arrow down below. And then once you've clicked on that arrow, you'll see all the little things that are down there for you. There's links. This one has a P.O. box address in it, some hashtags, a link to the Boundary Family merch. Those are just some of the few things that you'll find in the video description, as well in addition to what the video is about, usually. And yeah, that's how you do this thing. Alright, that's it for today's video. I know it was super short, and that's because the task that I was showing how to do is very simple. And yeah, but I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my links down in my description. And yeah, the first link that is down there is for my affiliate with So Sick Clothing. There's a promo code for that will give you 15% off site-wide. The promo code is LGrace15. The rest of the links, I have my merch store, my social media, my website, all those things. Thanks for watching, and above all else, stay fabulous. Bye!